So in this video we are going to discuss parameters regarding structural fastener, and the subject that we are discussing is design of steel structure. If you want PDF of the question that we are going to discuss in this video, do go to description and find the link for a Telegram channel, and do subscribe to Simplified Learning's Telegram channel, and in that channel you will be finding file section where you will find the PDF. Okay, let's go to question number 1. A row of rivets along the direction of stress is called as gauge line. Okay, see, for example, this is the thing we are talking about. This is a row of rivet. Okay, this is gauge line number 1, this is gauge line number 2. Okay, then gauge is, what is gauge? It is the normal distance between two gauge lines. Again, let's have the previous diagram here. This is row of rivets or row of bolts, then this is what? Gauge line, and the normal distance between two adjacent gauge line, it is what? Gauge. Then distance between center of rivet or bolt hole and edge of an element measured parallel to the direction of stress, it is called as end distance. Okay, it is the end distance. Then in HSFG bolt, the initial tension is called as, proof load. Okay, the initial tension in case of HSFG bolt is called as proof load. Then packing or filler plates are inserted. They are inserted outside the main plate and under the cover plate. For example, let's say this is the main plate, then outside the main plate two packing plates will be provided, then cover plates are provided over them. Okay, this is what? Packing plate. Another, this one is what? Packing plate. Outside the main plate and under the cover plate. Okay, option B should be the one. Then packing or filler plates are used for. Why are we using packing plates or filler plates? The thing that we just saw in previous diagram. Why we are using that? In order to flush the main plate in the joint correctly, in order to properly pack the main plate in the joint, we do use the packing or filler plate. Okay, option C is the right answer. Increasing the strength? No. Compensating thinness? Absolutely no. Okay, when packing rivets are used in a joint, what happens? Bending of fasteners is avoided, correct? Then when we are using packing rivets in a joint, complete flushing and packing of main plate with filler plate is completed. This specific task, this specific mission is completed when we are using what? Packing rivets. Means since we are talking about packing rivet, we are also considering that packing or filler plates are also being used. Without this packing plate, how we are going to call the rivet as packing rivet? Yes, therefore the flushing and packing of main plate also gets accomplished over there. That's why option C will be the one. Then slip factor. What is slip factor? Is it probability? No, no kind of probability is there. Therefore option A and B is wrong. It is coefficient of friction in friction type joint. Okay, slip factor is what? Coefficient of friction in friction type joint. Okay, option C is the one. Then distance between edge of member and rivet hole center is called as what? It is called as, see the word edge of member and rivet hole center, it is called as edge distance. Okay, so that was all regarding the topic. If you want more such videos, do subscribe Simplified Learning, and yes, if you learn something new from the video, do press thumbs up. Till then, take care.